Need an activation code for your HSBC account or security device. These codes are crucial for setting up new devices, activating services, or enhancing your banking security. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally get your HSBC activation code. The method to get your HSBC activation code can vary depending on what you're activating. Often, if it's for a new security device or setting up mobile banking, the bank will mail it to your registered address for security reasons. For digital services or reactivating an app, you might find the process initiated within the HSBC mobile banking app or online banking portal. You'll typically follow prompts, and the code might be generated within the app itself, sent via SMS to your registered phone, or displayed on screen temporarily. Finally, if you're unsure or experiencing issues, the best course of action is to contact HSBC customer service directly. They can guide you through the specific steps for obtaining the activation code you need and verify your identity securely. And there you have it. Getting your HSBC activation code depends on your specific need. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.